In this video, I'll show you why you should use a custom domain email and how to create a free business email using your domain on Bluehost in 2025, step by step. No third-party tools, no hidden fees, just your hosting account and a few clicks. Whether you want info@yourcompany.com or your name@yourbrand.com, you'll have your free email set up and working in under 3 minutes. Plus, I'll show you how to access your inbox and what to do if you get stuck. Let's start. Why should you use a custom business email? Ask any business owner over a certain age. They might tell you it's a must to look more professional. And back in their days, they were paying maybe even $20 a month just for a single custom email address. But if you're already using Bluehost or most hosting plans with cPanel, you can probably already get it for free. No need to pay extra. Apart from looking cooler, like the perfect business pro we all pretend to be, it also helps with better deliverability. Emails are less likely to go to spam compared to free Gmail or Yahoo addresses. Team scalability. It's easier to create custom emails for team roles like support at or sales at. Let's set it up. How to create a free business email on Bluehost in 2025. Go to bluehost.com. Click on Login. Input your user ID and click Next. Enter your password and click Login. Now it's already on hosting in the left sidebar, but if you happen to log in into your home, just click on hosting in the left sidebar. Then click cPanel email, leave email accounts selected, and click on Continue. Click on Create in the right corner. Select your domain name. Write the username you want for your email address. Enter the password you want. Scroll down and click Create. And that's it. How to access the inbox of your business email. From here, you can just click on Check Email. Select Open My Inbox when I log in and click Open. Now you can see the emails you received to your business address. If you don't like this old webmail user interface and want to connect it to your Gmail or Outlook, let me know in the comments and I'll make another video about it. What to do if it's not working? Click on the chat icon on the bottom right corner. Select Support for existing products. Select Web hosting. Then select Email. Finally, select Create email addresses. You can read the article or select No to speak to someone. Identify yourself via name and verification code, and then they will instantly help you solve the problem in real time. And that's it. Like always, put your thumbs up if you liked this video. Ask your questions in the comments and subscribe for more. See you in the next videos.